Hello all. Welcome back to SAP MM channel. Here I have the questions asked in a company called Capgemini and the interview is for 2 years of experience. So let us start. The first question is, what is the T code to define the document PO? The document PO, it can be like catalog PO or any others than the standard PO. The T code to define the document type is OLME. Instead of saying the SPRO settings, you can use the T code OLME. Moving on to the next question. What is the T code to create the material type? To create the material type, the T code is OMS2. OMS2. Moving on to the next. Is it possible to configure the PO line item at the item level release procedure? It's asking that can you configure the release procedure for a PO at the item level? The answer is no. It is always released at the header level. PO will be released only at the header level. It cannot be released at the item level. PR can be released at both item level and the header level. Moving on to the next question. What is the T code to set the system messages configuration for SAP MM? Often we'll be seeing the error messages. We can define the error messages from error messages to warning messages or from warning messages to error message. The T code is OMAS. Moving on to the next question. Can we have a new industry sector as per the company? The answer is yes, we can have our own industry sector as per the business requirement. Few examples to be noticed are cement, beverages, food, chemicals, retailing, etc. And the T code to create the own industry sector is OMS3. To define the material document, that is OMS2, and to create the industrial sector, the T code is OMS3. Moving on to the next question. What is the allocated quantity in MM? This is a tricky question asked by the interviewer. At times, what is the allocated quantity in MM is? It refers to the total quantity from all PR, PO and scheduling agreement allocated to a given source of supply. It means that it considers all the quantity from PR, PO, scheduling agreement. Then at end it says the allocated quantity. So you should consider PR, PO and scheduling agreement and if any other contracts allocated to a given source of supply. Moving on to the next question. What is the purpose of PIR from the business angle? PIR focus on streamlining the procurement, optimizing the vendor relations and enhancing the overall cost management. Here the objective is to reduce the cost and it also acts as a central repository for the crucial procurement information linking the specific materials with the specific vendors and associated pricing and the delivery terms. And the T code is to create the PIR is ME11, ME11. That's all for the interview. Thank you all for watching this video again. Please do like, share and subscribe. Your subscription is a motivation to me to come up with many more such videos and to help you out in cracking the interview. Happy learning. Thank you again.